how to block time on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. And menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. And system, go to parental control. You can turn on parental control to prevent children from being able to view certain content. So you can go to parental control and create pin first. So you can create the pin, for my example, 1111. And now you can confirm the pin. So enter again the 1111. And okay guys, now here in parental control, you can turn on the switch button on the right side of this lock to see the block time. So here in block time, you can block channels and programs during certain period of time. So you can go to this and set the time. So for my example, I set the start time into 2, and after that, click next button and okay, and enter the end time. So okay, go to this, and for my example, I set into 5 and click OK. And after that, you can set the week or weekly. So you can go to this, you can enable or disable the week. I set into Monday to Sunday. And after that, okay, click confirm button to save the block time. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully blocked the time on Devant Smart TV.